Okay, hello guys, Joseph here. So here's a demonstration how to reset or unblock the Sun cellular SIM for mobile data access. As you can see, I don't have a service because my SIM was blocked for 4G connection. As you can see on my modem, it is set that my preferred network is only LTE. That's for me to enjoy fast internet access. Okay, but because the SIM is already blocked, it cannot connect to the 4G network, which I require the modem to do, unless I will change it to HSDPA. It will get a signal, but still I cannot connect to the internet. I'm disconnected. See? So how does my Sun cellular SIM, which is a partner of Smart, will have a signal again? So what you need to do is send an SMS. This is what you need to do to open the Sun roaming services and deactivate it and turn it back to 4G network. So we'll try send to 222. That will be our recipient. Text roam on. Okay. Then send. Okay. That your roaming services is already active, and after receiving the text message, turn the roaming services to off. Then after turning off your roaming service, modify your 3G network, which is the HSDPA, to 4G, and after that you can now test. Yes, you can now test if your 4G network is available and you can now connect to your internet. Okay. Sometimes it will take some time. As you can see, the last message was sent was this morning. That's 1:30 a.m. So after some time, it came around 49 that my roaming was already activated. Okay. So what you need to do is to roam off, send. And what you need to do is to wait for your prepaid roaming services is now for your Sun cellular notification via SMS that your prepaid roaming service is now deactivated. Yeah, it's already deactivated. After that, need to reboot again. Hopefully it will work. As you can see, the device is still rebooting, and voila, there's another LTE signal for my SIM. And now let's check if I can share Facebook content, because this one is working. Okay, so that's how. So that is how you can reset your Sun cellular SIM if it happens to not receive or cannot connect. Your device cannot connect to the 4G network provided by the telco or the network. Okay, that's all guys. If you find this video informative, kindly please give it a like. Also, if you want, you can consider subscribing to my channel for more updates on what are the other tricks and tips on how you can maximize, utilize your internet data out of your SIM here in the Philippines. Over and out. Thank you.